All right, check. All right, let's get to work. Let's get some work done. We've been slacking. We got a lot of work to do. As I've said before, we got our start date pushed back to October because of an error on my enrollment counselor. He has been replaced. The good news is that we are now done with health. We actually done with 3 classes. I really, part of me don't want to count them yet. Let me see. Share a screen and this one. Part of me doesn't want to count them yet because I want to see if I want to make sure that I get credit for them when they release my transcript um, transfers, just to make sure they're applied. But for now, we'll mark as done. So health is done. Scripting and programming foundations, which is intro to Java programming, and web development foundations, also done. All of these are done through Sophia. So now we're from 17 down to 14. Okay, let me open up Facebook here. Wait a second. What we're going to be doing today, a bunch of stuff, but I want to auto generate, not auto, well, I guess auto generate multiple choice questions from flashcards via GPT-4. Um, oh, come on, where is it? Okay. Yes, here. Okay. All right. And we'll break this off here. Can we pull the chat? Who could comment? Turn off? No, no, you can't. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. We'll just overlay it like so, like this. All right, and we're good. All right. So, what I have done, um, we go to here and go to Quizlet.com. TB, how's it going? Currently attending WGU for Bachelor's of Science Cloud Computing. TB, that is my third. It's going to be my third degree. So I'm doing computer science starting in October. And then oh God, that would be April, right? So October, November, December, Jan, February, March, April. So yeah, that'll be April. Tanisha, how's it going? So in April, I'll be doing cybersecurity, and then just make sure May, June, July, August, September, October. Yeah. And the October, a year from October, it would be cloud. You are going to WGU? I am. I should have been starting already, but issues with the transcripts, not getting credit for classes that I should have, has pushed me back 2 months. Hey, I got an A plus through that program you recommended last year. Jeeves, awesome, awesome. Yes, they are still actually they're still doing the program. If anyone, I don't even remember the link. It's been over a year now. It's essentially where it's a government funded program through the state of Philadelphia, if I'm not mistaken. But anyone nationwide can take the program if you qualify. I think all you need to qualify is like to be an American citizen and some other things as well. I think you need to. No, I don't even remember. But back then, and by back then I'm talking about June of last year. You only needed to be a U.S. citizen, and oh yeah, you did have an interview. You had to do like a an interview before you got accepted. Essentially, you just ask, what are you going to use the A plus for, and what is the purpose, and so on and so forth. Um, yeah, they pay for the training. Is directly through CompTIA, and then you get a you actually get 2 chances at it. They give you 2 chances. Um, so, oh, and if anyone wants me to create another typing bot, because I've gotten a few requests on that, I'll do it live on stream now with Win Automation that I uploaded. I'll upload it to like Google Drive or something if Google doesn't auto delete it because it thinks it's malware. But yeah, it's a free program for your A plus. Yeah, Mr. Marquis, how's it going? What's that program name? So it's Jeeves. Let me hold on. So GEVES, and then we'll say Comp Tia A plus. I'm pretty sure it's through Eventbrite. Education Connect or EduConnect. Yep, that's the name of the program. Yeah. Here's the link. Okay. Why does it say 35? Hold on. Maybe that's not the right link. But that is the program though. Human Services. No, that's their other program. Programs, Employment and Technical Education, EduConnect. You're welcome, Mr. Markey. It's somewhere around here. Oh, hold on. Let me do this. So let's say Jev's Event Bright. And then we'll do EduConnect. Okay. Because the first step is to Friday or Wednesday, August the 30th. Okay. Yeah, learn how to get the education that will help you reach the next level. Join our free virtual information session. Blah blah blah. Take a look at our CompTIA A plus certification, so on and so forth and so forth. All right, so here it is. You will reserve your spot there. So who was it that had the A plus again? Celine. Were you able to get a job as of yet using your certification? Because now you qualify um, for like help desk. I mean, you don't need a certification for help desk, but it certainly helps. And help desk can range anywhere from 15 an hour to 25, somewhere around in that range. Okay. Of course, if y'all have any questions, please ask. Do not hesitate. If there's anything you all want to talk about, please ask. Do not hesitate. And if I don't know, I will do my best to find an answer. All right. So, what I am doing currently, um, we are D336, Business of IT Applications. I have, this is also the ITIL certification class. So I will need to download a course or so. I have downloaded flashcards. Matter of fact, let me show y'all. By the way, Quizlet Plus is only like $40 a year. So I think I'm gonna drop Anki because Quizlet is just better. So $40 a year is kind of a no-brainer. It generates tests, it generates fill in a blank, it generates flashcards, does all of that. I don't need to do it manually, and that's certainly worth 40 a year. Now, yet I'm going to start applying in September. I just got the A plus early this month, and I've been studying specific help desk stuff, Active Directory, group policy, Microsoft 365, etc. Good, 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 good. Happy to hear that. All right, so the first class or the first set of cards I got is this ITIL 4. It comes with what was it, 539. I do have a set in here, or at least I thought I did. Okay, I guess. Oh no, this is my set. Well, it's shorter than 539. It's like 522 or something like that because there's some multiple choice in here, and I had to get rid of them. Um, so the workflow I am thinking of. So with the test, when you have the flashcards, Quizlet will automatically generate a test based on these parameters. True or false, we turn that off. Don't need that. We just want multiple choice and we don't want anything written in. That may be like our second, kind of like our second cohort of tests. We will add in written. Yeah. And so we don't need to generate tests, multiple choice questions with GPT-4 anymore because we have Quizlet Plus do it for us. Now, Quizlet Plus, Quizlet does give you a 30-day 30-day trial of Quizlet Plus. Again, it's $35, $34.99 a year. It's either that or $40. Doesn't matter. $35, $40 a year. Well worth it. And then you don't, like I say, you don't have to set up parameters. You don't have to tell GPT-4, make sure you have the incorrect answer choices, somewhat close to the correct answer so people can't use process of elimination to easily guess the answer. Quizlet does that for us. We haven't taken any tests, but I'm looking at it and they're not bad choices. From here, when I'm thinking, I have printed the test. This one's only 20 questions, but the one I already printed is 490 questions, multiple choice. So that's 300. Matter of fact, let's see. 371 flashcards and 490. It is 490, right? It's actually supposed to be more than that. AB, how's it going? It's actually supposed to be more than that, but I'm guessing that Quizlet probably tops out at 490. 490 multiple choice questions on top of that. Okay. And this is for the ITIL. Again, ITIL and business IT applications, same thing. So we're going to be combining the ITIL and the business IT into what? What I want is these tests, especially the multiple choice one, to be around 1,000 questions. And we run that through that, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. When it gets close to October, right? You don't want to, you don't want to study extensively, and then 2 weeks go by and you have to study extensively again. So no. So I have printed that out as a PDF, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this into GPT-4 based on iSpring Suites multiple choice question template, and that looks like somewhere around here. It looks like this. Actually, it hasn't opened. Yeah, it looks like this, where you have your question type, true, false, multiple choice. What is MR? There's actually, but this multiple choice is really all I'm interested in. I think this is probably fill in a blank. There was a little square. Actually, hold on. There it is. TI short answer, MR multiple response, matching questions. So we won't be using any of these. I'll use multiple choice and probably written. But again, we don't have to generate them with GPT-4. Quizlet Plus will do that for us. What our job is to do is to go from this into this format. That's the challenge, and that's what GPT-4 is going to do for us. Now, I have tested this strategy on another set, um, not with the multiple choice PDF, but with just uh, um, with another Excel spreadsheet with just the flashcards like this. And I told GPT-4, I have a spreadsheet with two columns, terms and definitions. With these two columns, I need you to create a X amount of multiple choice questions. The correct answer, or rather, the question will be the definition, or the definition will be the question. Rephrase the definition as a question, and then the correct answer will be the term. Prefix the correct answer with a star, and then format it as outlined in the iSpring Suite specification. So we will be using Code Interpreter for this task. I have uploaded the PDF here. Actually, let's see. Could I? I can. I shouldn't, because then I can't see the chat. Okay, that's fine. All right. So I've uploaded the PDF with all 490 multiple choice questions. This does not give the correct answer, so we will have to tell Code Interpreter to cross-reference with our spreadsheet with the flashcards for the correct answer. And then as far as formatting, we will tell Code Interpreter to format it as a multiple choice questions according to iSpring Suite. Okay, let me open up Notepad++ here. I do have a prompt to get me going. It is, yeah, it's going to be lengthy. I'm not even going to lie. Let's see here. So, since you all saw my API key, now we have to go in there and change it. Let's see, playground. Because for real, there's hackers that they just watch and then they'll be running it up, and then I'll be $500 in the hole in 10 minutes. Can't be doing that. All right, so that was this one. Revoke. Actually, we'll just go ahead and revoke all of these because I'm not using any of them. Yeah, we'll leave that one alone. Okay. All right. Back to our prompt. Is that correct? Question example? No, that's not the right one. Close. Okay, so here's the one. All right. So I have uploaded 3 Excel files. So let's just go ahead and copy. Let's go ahead and copy this. Open up a new file. I have uploaded 3 files. Okay. And let's put GPT-4 off over here. We'll say there's a card. No. I've uploaded 3 files. Contains the multiple choice questions and answer choices. Contains the multiple choice questions and answer choices that we will be using to import into iSpring Suite. Okay. Quizlet card extractor. which is one of our spreadsheets here. For the card extractor contains the flashcards. You will actually contains the flashcards that has 2 rows. The first row is terms, and the second row is definitions. Don't know if this is redundant for code interpreter, but we'll see. And the third file is our iSpring Suite reference. Is the reference spreadsheet we will be using to format our iSpring Suite questions for format our Spring questions for import, I guess. All right, so I have 3 files: tests, ITIL 4 foundation, blah blah blah. Contains the multiple choice questions and answer choices that we will use an import in iSpring Suite with the card extract that contains a flashcard that has 2 rows, that has 2 columns, not rows. First column is terms, and the second column definition. The third file, which is the reference spreadsheet we'll be using to format our spread for import. Okay. I think it's doable. Okay, so that's kind of like our reference, I guess. All right, so the task in actually, let's just scoot this down. Okay, so what are we going to be doing for our task? So our task, you will read in all 490 multiple choice question and answer choices. Well, actually, in their corresponding, what I don't want is like GPT-4 only to read in 490 when there's 4 times that. And their corresponding answer choices. Okay. Then you will cross reference with the, what's the name of that Excel file again? Where's the card extractor .xlsx? SX file to determine the correct answer. Actually, you would read in all of 409, then you would cross answer choices. The questions are the definitions are So the definitions from the Quizlet Excel file and then we'll put in, we'll say column 2 or second column. Definitions from Quizlet card extractor file, second column, are the questions in the or we'll say the definitions are in question format, are in question form in the PDF file. Okay. Reading all, blah, 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 blah. I should have probably put this in my preamble here. Put that up here somehow. I think we're fine though. So we're going to read it in, and then we'll say after you've read in all 490 questions and answer, read in all the multiple choice questions, question/answers. Then you'll cross-reference with the Quizlet card file. Determine the correct answer for the question. This is messy. I think it'll work though. Determine the correct yes. Okay. Now, as far as formatting, some of the term definition pairs got mixed up, so we don't have to do that because I cleaned those myself. Took a little minute. Actually, it wasn't that much because it's only one set. It's only when you have like you start dealing with like 10 set, 5. Well, I'll say probably 3 or more when you have like 1,000 something where it can be annoying because sometimes in Quizlet people inject multiple choice questions and stuff like that, which is fine. You can do that with flashcards, but it's just not my style. Okay. I think that's it for the task. If I determine the correct answer for the question. Okay. As far as the output goes, you will adhere to the format outlined in the sample import template for output. I don't know if you can export an Excel. We know that it can. Let's see. Here to the same question be on. I don't know if you can, but since and put in excellent. Remember. Okay. As far as the output goes, all right. So as far as tasks, you still. Oh. Remember, since these are multiple choice questions, you will be generating. All right. So when you have found the correct answer for the multiple choice question, You will append, no, not append, prefix the correct answer with a star character. Remember, since these are multiple choice questions, you will be generating the question type will be MC. All right. Multiple choice questions you will be generating the question type will be MC. The other three remaining incorrect answer choices will be placed in the in columns. I don't know if I have to. I think I should just let that determine that. The other three remaining correct answer with a star character. Remember, okay. Let's see how it goes from here, and then we'll know where we stand. All right. So from here, let's go ahead and Control A, Control C, and then in here, let's paste. All right, let's run it. Uh-oh. Maybe I have to refresh. Okay. Please. Uh-oh. Not good. Vince, how's it going? We done fell on our face out the gate. All right, let's try this again. That'll be our sample file. Spreadsheets. And our test, which is here. And then our prompt. All right, here we go. Let's start by reading the PDF. All right. This is probably the hardest step because I know it could do the other two. Let's see how good the OCR. It's probably no, it's not using OCR, but let's see how good it is able to extract the questions and answers from the PDF. It says finished. All right. It appears that extractions didn't work as uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. Let's use OCR. And then afterwards, you can check for errors from the OCR output. Okay. That's why I said that you're going to clean it up, talking about something that's not 100% accurate. Well, duh. OCR is terrible. All right. Maybe that's the first thing I should do, like split it up into two pieces. I really don't want to do that manually. We ran into a memory issue. Yeah, because it's 490 goddamn questions. Uh, would you like to proceed by handling a smaller subset of pages at a time, or would you prefer another approach? Yes. Break this task down into smaller pieces. Future MD, how's it going? Real quick, I just got in. You're using chat GPT for WGU. You goddamn right I am. As much as I can. Legally. I apologize for the inconvenience. I forgot to import the OCR. What? After the previous memory error, let me correct that. Oh boy. All right, so code interpreter is not good at um, reading PDFs. I don't blame him because reading PDFs using machine learning is not an easy task, since PDFs are not a structured document. Would it be better if I could export? If I could print to a web page, would that be better? It would. Yeah, it definitely would be better. Because then we wouldn't have to use. Okay, let me see. Hold on. How can I? Let's document this too. In our handy dandy notebook. All right, so um, I don't know. Let's go into prompt engineering for this one. Um, let's say uh, code interpreter. Not good at reading PDFs. Big surprise. Okay. A possible alternative would be to print to HTML or another structured document. And then we'll say from Quizlet. Because I'm gonna be asking myself, why would I say that? Then after that, section of by character limit, you can print a notepad. Can you? How? This is news to me. Let me see. What is it? What does it do? Oh God. All red. To systematically observe services and components of record selected. Identify as events, service as level. OCR appears to excessively extract the text from the first few pages. Here's a snippet. Service level agreement, SLA, configuration management. Okay. Would you like to proceed with the OCR or would you like to verify and adjust? Okay. So looks good. But let's. Do I want to keep the zeros? Keeping the zeros keeps everything aligned. So getting rid of the zeros may not be the but let's replace those zeros with triple dashes. This way it'll be easier to do search and replace in Excel. Because if we just do a search and replace for a zero, that's not going to be good enough. Hello everyone, how's it going, T-Lux? But I like it so far, I think. I really don't want to do this part manually because it's a pain in the ass. Even with MathPix Scanner, it'll read it. The problem is that actually maybe that is a feature of MathPix. What if we could print from MathPix like a set of clippings that we've copied? That would solve everything, actually. I don't think this program is that smart, though. Let's test. All right, let's see. Let's put you on over here. Now, if we use to scan this, like so, don't need the number. So it does that correctly, as expected. It's not perfect, but we can fix that up, I guess. We can open and the problem is that every time we click this, it's going to open up a new document. We don't want that. What happens? Settings. Can we print from this? This is, what is that? No. Handwrite, no. And this is our, no. No. Nope. Do we need the definition part? We don't. What happens if we select multiple clippings? Could we do that? No, it'll just bring us back here. What happens if you hold down shift? Nothing changes. What happens if we hold down control? Nothing changes. What happens if we press alt? Nothing changes. Can we do a drag and selection? No, we cannot. Yeah, that's not an option. All right. Let's see where you're at. Certainly, I'll replace the old character with, oh God. That I don't want that. Because did I put 0 or I put 0. I put 0. So why did it read it? See, this is what I'm talking about. It's taking a long time. It's causing operation and it be interrupted during the timeout. Is likely because blah 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 blah. We could try reducing the chunk size or processing only a limited number of pages for. We could split this up. So, damn it. All right, let's document. So, okay. So we'll say Quizlet. Test processing. Okay. And we'll say we tested. Probably testing not the right word, but we'll go with it for now. 490 page. Containing multiple choice questions and answers. Code interpreter. Failed to read document using machine learning. As listed above, but I'm repeating myself just in case. So it offered OCR. And then part of that kept running out of memory due to large document size. Now, I wonder if Claude would do this better. If it could. Let's test. Doubtful, but it's worth it. All right, so let's import where are we? Dev notes. All files. Can't read from Excel. God damn it. All right. That's that. Actually, hold on. Let's see if we could just let's see. Because if we can get this part done, then we're golden. I hate having to rely on online applications because okay, so extract all um, multiple choice questions and their corresponding choices. Please, please, pretty please. It's thinking. Uh-oh. It is 490. And it won't be able to extract it all at one time because even 100K tokens. Okay. We can work with this. And we can and it's perfect because we can actually use the word definition as kind of like the delimiter between the questions and the answer choices. This is fine. See, I'm not worried about the gap in the space here because again, we can have GPT-4 uh fix the rest of this if you want to be really lazy. Because what I'm not going to do is go through here and then uh fix it manually. No, 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 no. But I am glad. Oh God, I am glad. So now we would have to rephrase our. I don't know how well GPT-4 will be able to solve this problem. Um, but I don't see why it wouldn't be able to. Well, we'll see. So that's 490. So that's a working solution. Working as in extraction, maybe not quality. Okay. All right. Kept running on. Okay. So tester code interpreter. Okay. Um ask Claude or imported same PDF into Claude and ask to extract all questions and answer choices. Um, Not perfect. Needs a lot of cleaning, but extracted nonetheless. I think the point is let's just get all the text out of there. We can clean it up later. Um, I mean, honestly, guys, honestly, we have enough time to do it manually. I just don't want to do it manually. I'd be here all weekend. Not all weekend. Let me stop being dramatic. Cleaning it will take if I was to cross reference. Actually, I would probably if I was to do it manually, I wouldn't even deal with this. I would just go directly to here and then just extract and then double click. I don't know if I could double click. Actually, wait a second. Wait a second. What if I did this? What if I exported from the PDF editor, PDF Exchange editor, to something like a Word document? And we did that. And then why don't I always think of these things when it's important? And then we do this, save it to here. We're going to find out how good Code Interpreter is. So Claude is a solution. We'll see if it's the best solution. Okay. That actually came out very, very good. Very, very, very good. Okay. All right. So now, since we don't have to deal with PDF and their nonsense, close that out. We can just throw you in here. And then in Code Interpreter, we can just get rid of all of this and start from scratch. So we're going to bring that here. And then our spreadsheet to reference to. And then the iSpring Suite template file to format to. And then our prompt, we're going to say, instead of PDF, do a search. We're going to do a replace, normal. And this is DOCX, correct? Yep. Could just do PDF, but I don't know. Always bad happens when I'm not some sort of weird as edge case. Okay. Now, put this in here. All right, let's go. All right. Step 1, importing the questions and their answers selections. May not be straightforward. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Based on the first 29, the definition, which is the question in our case. Okay. Here's what we're going to do with this. Why is my throat so goddamn itchy all of a sudden? All right. How do I really wish there was like a find and replace for like for like styles. Let's see, results. No. Control F. That's navigation. Find, replace. Options. No. Match prefix. Let's just go with definition. Okay. Could we select match case, find whole words only? Use wildcards, sound like English, find all word forms. I don't know what that means. Or no. Match prefix, match format. Font, definition. Oh, you can. Not so simple, and I don't want to get into that. Okay. Find in current selection, main document, text boxes, reading highlights, highlight all. Does not highlight all. Find in main document. Please find them all. Okay. It did. See, this is what I didn't like. This is what I don't want. Because I know definition may be in one of these questions, or one of the answer choices, rather. But the reason why I wanted to match style is because I know that this style is different from that style. Um, Match case. Okay, that will work. Maybe it does not. Or um, highlight all. Let me deselect and let's do it again. Main document. Please don't highlight. Okay, didn't do it that time. Good, 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 good. Just gonna go out on a limb and say this is about as good as we're gonna get. I'm sure we can do better, but I'm not worried about that. All right, and then we're gonna delete, please. Okay. All right. Next thing. I'm not worried about the headers or the footers. Code interpreter is good at ignoring those. Um, and I'm not worried about the one of 490 because code interpreter ignored those as well. Okay, so let's do it again. We'll just kill this and start over. Make sure we're saved. Sample import. Yeah, because we don't need to use the word definition as a delimiter if we have uh, a Word document. Okay, and then spreadsheets. Okay. And then our prompt. We're actually making a lot of progress in a very short amount of time. Would have been going for almost an hour. 3 files. Okay. Step 1, the hardest part. All right. What's our next challenge? Additional metadata headers. Actual question answer choices seem to be mixed in. To get a clear picture, I need to explore the document further. Okay. Yes. A definition is followed by the definition of a term, which is followed by the multiple choice. There is also. Given the observed pattern, next steps would be filter out the irrelevant lines to get a clean list of the questions and answer choices. Group the. Yes. I do like that it asks instead of trying to do everything in one shot. This way, if you need to troubleshoot, you can, you know, go back through the chat and find out what could be the root cause analysis or root cause. Successfully organize each entry containing definition, which is the question, and choices, which are the multiple choice options. Next, let's read the flashcards. Okay. Yes. All right. See, that was easy because Excel is a structured document. Now that we have both questions and the next set to cross reference, yes. Ask number 3. All right. With a star character. Did I put the MC part? Please. Okay. All right. Moment of truth. Oh, I forgot to add in the explanation for the correct answer. Okay, let me add that part here. All right, so that would be correct feedback. Okay. Um, yes, but let's add a custom correct and incorrect feedback um, feedback text for each question. Also, for also along with the correct answer, um, yeah, correct answer feedback. Let's add a small explanation explaining why um, the correct answer is the correct answer. Screws up, that's fine. We could just delete that text and that in that column. It's not a problem. Okay. Add a customer's question, include a small explanation. Selected answer is correct is essentially definition of flashcard that validates the correct answer. Okay, I guess. Uh, yeah, let's just get it going. All right. This part I have seen it do, and it does it actually pretty well. Each row includes answers 1 through 4 correct feedback. Would you like to save this data frame to Excel? Yes, I do. And they'll give me a link to download. Oh no. Yes. How about some again use old Excel format? So it has to be no one. Fine. All right. Let's see. 490 questions, guys. 490. Looks good. I don't mind if they're perfect. They're not perfect. Sorry, the answer is incorrect. Please try. That's okay. Well done. The correct answer is warranty explanation. Um, that's fine too. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Correct answer. It does have a star in front of it. It does not. Oh God, they screwed it up. Oh boy. Or maybe what? I hate this crap from Excel. It's trying to auto fit. Stop it. Okay. So that. Maybe strategy. I mean, if it's not in the same location, that's fine. That's okay. Utility, warranty requirements. Looks good. All right. So let's go ahead and save this. I mean, it is, oh no, not even close to 490. 191. Um, well, buddy, there were 490 questions, but I only got 191. So you're missing 400. Actually, no. It's can it only do 100 at a time? Not even that. I only got a 100 or 90. I'm missing 400. What happened? It's possible that extraction perhaps first let's determine the number of questions that was extracted and organized. Okay, so let's open up iSpring. Well, would you like to investigate further? We'll get to that later. All right, so create, and the reason why I like iSpring, you saw the live stream where I was going through different solutions. Couldn't really. Now you can convert interaction text to speech in just a couple of clicks. Okay. Um, yeah, iSpring does this very. I mean, it's not perfect, but you do have to render it out. I will be rendering all of these as HTML5 and uploading them to GitHub for everyone to download. So you can, take these tests if you're taking these classes on your phone, on your computer, or whatever HTML5 enabled devices they have. Okay, so here we're going to go to import questions, Microsoft Excel, and then, um, wait, where did I put the damn document? Format iSpring. Oh hell. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, here. New group. Okay. Let's just test. And we should have 100 questions. Uh-oh. Oh no, that's fine. Uh where is it? Where are you? All right, so let's see. So I see the question group. Where did we screw up? I feel like I'm missing stuff. How to import. Insert into new group. Group question one. Okay, gotcha. Okay. Come on now. Imported, not supported. Image driver was. Why is there? Oh shit! It made a mistake, didn't it? Would you try to put in there? That's correct feedback. Answer 4, answer 3. Oh, he took out. God, no. The audio visual and then like the other 10 answer. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay. I see what went wrong. All right. Scenes are initially organized for which matched the, however, 190 of those questions had a correct answer identified during. This means that for it was 190, wasn't it? So I was actually missing 300. That's okay. This means that 300 couldn't find. Would you like me to investigate? No. No, but I do need you to do another export, but this time keep the empty fields. Image, audio, video, or the empty columns. Etc. Because I cannot import into iSpring Suite with missing columns. Okay. Back to Claude. This is getting really messy. Yeah, we could just say continue here. We will eventually run out of tokens. So we will have to do this. Well, I might have to do this manually, honestly, guys. We might have to do this manually. Because code interpreter is not reading half of them. Certainly, I included necessary columns, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Oh, it actually renamed it. Full columns. Okay, cool. All right. So let's open up the iSpring Suite again. And guys, if you want to make your own exams, tests, stuff like that, just let me know. I'll set up a Google Drive link or I'll put it in the Telegram chat for iSpring Suite, and then you can download from there and create your own tests and stuff. Otherwise, I think it's like $200 a year or something like that. Okay. Create graded quiz. Okay. And then from here, import questions, Excel, full columns, question group 1. Okay. Good. 190. All right. So it did that. And if we were to preview in HTML4, something that actually this daytime stuff is killing me. Options, note. I know like the player, there's a dark mode for the player. Color scheme, light blue. Jesus, no. Yeah, that works. Text features, show question number, apply and close, navigation. Okay, and then we'll preview. Something that influences strategy, objectives, and requirements. IT service. Okay. Act of permanently withdrawing a product, service as a configuration item from use. Retire. The act of permanently withdrawing a product, services. I did is the practice of formulating the goals of an organization, adopting the courses of action, and allocation of resources. Formulating the goals of an organization and adopting the courses of action and allocation of resources necessary. So these questions, the answer choices are not straightforward. Strategy management practice. Okay. The activity that assigns a price for services. Utility? Okay. To the point to which information used by an activity must be restored to enable the activity to operate on resumption. I have no idea. No clue. RPO. All right. Looks good. But what observations can we make about this? What improvement can we make? Um, hmm. One, can we do like an answer sheet? So in Quizlet, so if we go to Quizlet, and if we say we could just close this out. I mean, if we could just close this out. Okay, we have to cancel first, of course. And if we go to our profile, and if we go from teacher, student to teacher, and if we go to study sets, if you go to this study set and then we go to test, answer with term, multiple choice, true, false. I'm looking for the answer key. Okay, so let's say this worked, but this is not going to work. Let's say Quizlet, generate answer key. Is that possible? Answer generated flashcards, answer key flashcards to study sets. Let's say test answer key. Unit test answer keys. Nope. These are just flashcards. I don't think you can. I do not think you can. What happens if we export to OneNote? We can export to Snagit? That I didn't know. That's 400. How many pages is that? 5 sheets of paper? Okay, let's see how this comes out. So Snagit is, I'm assuming that it's going to be an image. So Snagit should be popping up. Look, there it is. Let's see. It probably should be opening up in an editor. What happens? Could we just mark all the answers and see? Oh man. We'd have to go through the test and mark all the. Oh, that's terrible. All right, let's see. Is it still working? At some point, you have to be done. Okay, it's done printing, but where is the document? Okay. I would assume that it will come out in the editor, and I assume wrong. Where did it go? Preferences. Printer capture settings. Properties. Okay. All right. So it's in the damn temp folder. That doesn't help at all. There's a whole bunch of other crap in there. Come on, man. Okay. All right. Is this a page? Okay. Let's just change the directory. We'll say documents. Okay. And we'll say printer. Or we'll just say prints. After capture, if Snagit was not running, click OK. Click OK. Let's go again. Okay. And then from here. Oh, now it wants to open up in the damn editor. That's cute. Okay. Don't save. And it only printed one page. Snagit prints. I don't understand. It's not it's just one page. Yeah, that doesn't work either. Here it is. Never mind. I need an answer key. Oh God. Should I just do this manually? I mean, we have a working strategy, but it's not picking up all the questions and answers. What if instead of we could since we know that Code Interpreter can import all the questions and its choices, and it could do it in its correct slots. We will have to put like a note in there for output to keep the missing or keep empty columns in there and then not delete empty columns. What we would have to do is put the question and all the answer choice in there without selecting correct answer, and then having it select the correct answer would be another task after that one. This way, it wouldn't have to use trying to figure it out through like a PDF, right? It'll be spreadsheet to spreadsheet, not PDF to or Word document to spreadsheet. I mean, we could do that with automation. We could do that with automation, but no, we can't because the definition is being rephrased as the question. So you would need some sort of machine learning to be able to determine. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do the entire. Actually, let's import all 490 questions and their corresponding answer choices. But we will not mark the correct answer. This way we will have, actually, no, we could just do, okay. Import all 490 questions and the answer choices. But let's do it again. But we will include the questions and THER answer choices for the ones you were not able to determine the correct answer. I will do that manually. But it's a lot easier. Maybe not easier, but we'll figure it out, because then we can use Bard, we can use Claude. We have different solutions for this manually. Okay. Okay. All right. So I should be seeing 491 rows in this spreadsheet. The one is for the header column. Okay. The question. Okay. All right. Let's see. Comprehensive. All right. Good. All right. 8, 9, 10, image, video, and audio. Okay. And then the ones, okay. And then we can actually, when we do an automation, we can't use automation. Shit. Okay. Loss of ability to operate to specification, blah, 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 blah. Ensure. All right. Okay. And then we'll save this, and then we're going to open up iSpring Suite again. Let's close this, close that, close that, and close that. Okay. iSpring Suite. Okay. Import questions, Excel. Comprehensive. Question 1 group. 490 questions. Yep. Okay. So from here, we can just figure out, we can do that manually. Yeah. Because the ones that are selected, those are the ones with answers. You chose the correct response. Oh, yeah, that's right. Another way we could tell is if there's no explanation here. All right. Since we know that works, let's do another export, but this time come up with better. What did it do for the incorrect? Is pretty much all the same, right? Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, because you only got one shot at the question anyways. So we're not gonna do kind of like a we're not gonna do like second chances on it. You get it wrong, you get it wrong. Okay. Let's come up with a better correct answer feedback. Let's not just make it make the explanation the same as the definition. Let's generate a short but more custom response. Also place the explanation on a new line and not the same line as the correct feedback text. And as an example, so let's say example, we'll say well done, and then say explanation, and then will be the explanation. Something like that. Actually, no, we don't want a space in between that. That's not necessary. Okay. Okay. I don't know why you repeated it. Okay. Updated feedback. All right. I'm gonna run out of prompts here. I don't think I'm anywhere close to 50. All right, so let's see. Well done, explanation. Okay, it did do it. And to test this, we're gonna go back to iSpring Suites. What are some solutions that we could come out with since Quizlet doesn't have an answer key, we can do it manually, but we're trying to avoid doing things manually. Updated feedback. Question 1. Group 490. All right. And then for the ones. All right. So See how it's on a new line here? Something that influences strategy, objectives, and requirements. Okay. So we're not, it did the exact same thing. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not fussing over that. Okay. That's our working solution. Don't the like I said before, the remaining problem is finding using the correct answers. The way we can get around that is using we can clean the terms and definitions on flashcards and then have uh code interpreter generate the question. This way we don't have to worry about answers. Have GPT-4 come up with the incorrect answer choices, and that will fix it, which is leaning towards that way. Um, as opposed to using Quizlet because Quizlet doesn't have an answer key. Why can we not get an answer key if we on the teacher account? Well, maybe we do. Hold on, let's see. Term definition answer with grading options. Require one answer, typo help. No. No. No answer key. That's crazy. No answer key. So yeah, that's what I'm guessing. God. Okay. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do, guys. I'm gonna take a short break. I'm gonna get something to eat, hop in the shower, relax a little bit, and around midnight, we're gonna do it the hard way, which in we're going to use our flashcard spreadsheet, and then we're going to generate multiple choice questions and incorrect answer choices from our correct answer, and then do it that way. This way, we don't have to worry about cross-referencing spreadsheets or anything like that. Thank you guys so much. I will see you all around midnight.